Hi, I'm Melanie with Evolve Accounting. I'm here today to show you how to go about reconciling your account in QuickBooks. This is something you should do on a monthly basis at the beginning of the month or within 5 to 10 days of receiving your bank statement from your bank. So one of the ways you can go to the reconciliation process is to click into your banking right here and open up your screen that has recognize your transactions that come in automatically from your bank. If you click on the Go to Register button, and if you're new to opening up QuickBooks, it's going to bring up this Register Basics, and just quickly read through and see if anything it's setting up filters and making it look the way you want your register to look. So if you look up in the top right hand corner, there is a Reconcile button. You would click on that, scroll down to the green button. It says Reconcile an Account. This box is a different type of reconciliation that QuickBooks offers. You can either click the Let's Do It or the Maybe Later button. Again, QuickBooks, if you're a first-time user, is going to walk you through what you need to do. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you grab your statement. You want to make sure you select the correct account that you'll be reconciling. In this case, you'll see checking account. You should always double check this beginning balance to make sure it agrees. If it does not agree and things have been changed since your last reconciliation, there will be a box above this from QuickBooks that says, hey, we can help fix why your beginning balance is off. So make sure you look into that and see why your beginning balance may be off. You could have voided a check. A date could have been changed. There could have been a different amount that you went in and edited after the first reconciliation was done. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to enter, as you see the star on these two, that means they're required from QuickBooks. So from your bank statement, you're going to pull up your ending balance, and you're also going to want to put in the date that your bank statement says. And then you get to start reconciling. One of the nice things that you'll notice with QuickBooks Online, and we'll get rid of these boxes, is if you're matching through your bank, you'll have this clear date, which if you've matched it up, then this clear date will have a date actually in it. One of the really nice features that I like to reconcile is I like to sort by that clear date. And then if most of my transactions are there, I can hit this button and that's going to select all. And then I can reverse this clear date and use anything that does not have a date in it and get rid of those in the reconciliation process. In this situation, I don't have a real bank statement in front of me, so I have a difference that's going to show up. Ideally, you want this to be green and the difference to be 0. So we will pretend for this case that has happened. So we're going to click this Finish Now, and it's trying to give me an adjustment due to this difference that's sitting here. So in this situation, I'm going to click the Add Adjustment and Finish, but that will not pop up if you don't have a difference. And that's a quick startup of how you reconcile an account in QuickBooks. Thanks.